Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Google account region and payment eligibility because Play Credit is region-locked and tied to your billing profile. Next, open Google Play, tap your profile, then Payments and Subscriptions and Payment Methods. This is where you add a card or link PayPal. If you have a promo code, choose Redeem Code now, enter it carefully and submit. Once done, make sure the billing address matches your bank record to avoid authorization failures and to enable immediate credit use. You now redeem codes and verify the credit so you can spend it right away. Go to Redeem in Google Play or open the promo email, type the code exactly, and confirm. Google will apply the funds to your Google Play balance. Next, visit Payment Center to verify the updated balance and review pending authorizations. These can temporarily reduce visible credit. If you share with Family Library, link or enable family payment method so purchases route correctly. This prevents unexpected declines during checkout. You finish by making the purchase and resolving common issues quickly. When buying an app or subscription, confirm the payment sheet shows Play Balance as the primary source. If not, tap Change and pick your Play Balance. If a payment fails, clear Google Play Cache, sign out and back in, or remove and re-add the payment method to refresh tokenization. If balance still appears missing, gather the transaction ID and contact Google support. This allows them to trace redemptions or reversals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.